ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapau tam jong ka India. Minta ka lami ha ka Jinglong batmai. Ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking. But ya ki jing tip ba company one Shaka Frank Motors light ko ringi. Lani phone hau number hinyo not Sausan R not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Ki rang bat ki Ïaroh chess na keleng kiri jong ka perthei ki balawan bani shimenta Shaka First Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters Chess Tournament 2023 kila ai ka Ïaroh ya ka jala Meghalaya namar ka Jingitynnad Jong ki Jaka ki badon ha East Khasi Hills District. Hagani ka Ïaroh lawan ni shimenta da ki Grandmaster ki banagari USA, Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Georgia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Nepal. Bat kumjuru kinong Ïaroh ki balawan na ki jala prepare jongari. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor ki ne ki rang Ïaroh chess ki lapan pau ba kila lek Ïaroh keleng ki Jaka jongari India. Nrei ka ne ka Jaka hapok ka jala ka long ka ba compare bat ka ba Ïaroh. Kila pen pau ka Ïaroh ru halor ka jingshim kia ki nong penya jong ka Meghalaya Chess Association. Na ka benta ban penbit penbiang ya baro ki jingdon kam. Bat ban penlong ya ka ne ka lempung ka ba yaj bet syakmat naduk basdang.
I'm Nilotpal Das from Kolkata. I have come here to take part in this international tournament in Meghalaya. For the first time, such a big chess event is happening in Meghalaya. Last year, one Grandmaster tournament took place in Guwahati, and this time it is in Shillong. So I'm really happy to be here. The organizers are trying their best to promote the game in Meghalaya, especially Mr. Swapnil Tembe, who is the tournament director. He has taken the initiative to promote the game in the Northeast region, and our All India Chess Federation is also trying their best to promote the game in this area. From various parts of the country, players have come here to take part in this event, as well as players from other countries, grandmasters, international masters are taking part here. So I hope the local players, the players from Meghalaya, will be benefited by playing with the players of various parts of the country and the world. This is their opportunity to improve their game and gain valuable experience from this event.
Okay.
Yes, for me so far it's been quite decent. I have scored 4.5 points after 5 games and another 5 rounds to go. So tournament is pretty open. I think next all 5 games is going to be very crucial for everybody to determine the top placings.
Yes, I'm Marat Jumaev, Grandmaster from Uzbekistan. Came here first time in this region, maybe also this because I didn't play in this region. I played too many tournaments in India, but here first time. but I think it's a very good place, very beautiful. Weather is okay, and tournament also very good. Thank you for inviting, and thank you for organizing committee, Indian Chess Federation, for good tournament. Your local players and Indian players, all Indian players, is very strong and younger. You have very young players, very strong players, and I think in future you will be a very strong chess country. Now I am playing, but we will see after 10 rounds. Yes, I don't know. Meghalaya, very good, very good, and I think this is very interesting region. Yes, not like other place in India, I think, because the food also, maybe weather also different. Yes, like because I played too many tournaments, but weather was hot, too many places. But here is good and clean also. Yes, very clean.
Kumbakalong kani di tournament ka Bandungkong baka state Jongi kaliang ka Meghalaya Chess Association ngila penlong ya ketika International Open Grandmaster Chess Tournament di Kumbakalong mentah ki player kiwan na ki sipotli kiri kumai igni kalamang ni di nakaliang jong ki player Meghalaya ki don ki balayo alai point ki don ki bayo arpon steng mat mentah kadang dep dang sun round di kinang sa sun round hakai kategori mat kumjuru hakabi kategori kabadang sedang mentah kasi di kadang dep dang si round mat kadang sa pra round di nakaliang jeng ki player Meghalaya ru ki don ki player ki ba klan ki ba la man penyahat bat kini ki international master ki ba ladai ki master level ki bat ki we ru ki high rated player tengi kermen ba kini kisngi badang wan kat hadu mandakut ka tournament ba nakaliang jonggi player Meghalaya ro kinyo ya good result kumbakalong mentai kidon ar kategori kai kategori kidon nyungut player ngila select ngila jit teng player ba klan ba kambiang rating bat kumju kabi kategori kidon kumba ru pautam ru poar ru play ngut player ti kaliang jongka Rangïalehkai kalau ngadon kajong ka level kajongki hakabi ka hamduna khliar ka ba epat ngahab ni tengku bat ki grandmaster ki international master hadin jong ni ka event kajongi kitang don skiwei pat ki event ki banlong apo Bangalore skiwei pat international event nanda ke ban salong akau hati bat ki don skiwei ki ru senem banwan ban sedang nadu banai Januari nang ni ha kidon player ki ba lada kilawan sakmat nang ni kila ban ya simenta Rangïalehkai segi international level ki balong seki we pat kiri kila ya ban Rangïalehkai